Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2024 Salem Hemisphere 308 RLS travel trailer. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this beautiful camper, show you what this thing is all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we're now up inside the brand new 2024 Salem Hemisphere 308 RL here. And as you've seen on the floor plan that was up, this is a rear living room triple slide out travel trailer. Our last video we did was the Surveyor version, also built by Forestriver, of almost the same exact floor plan. So if you get a chance, pop over to that video as well and let me know which one you think did this triple slide out rear living room a little better. See which one you might like. All right, so let's get started. First things up, we have the table and chairs feature in this one. Tables attached to the wall. You do have the woven material on the slide floor instead of carpet. They have now gone to the new kind of square window look with the blinds built in with the reflective foil on the back of them as well. Big windows there. You're going to have the theater seat here. It has little light up cup holders on the outer arm, some storage and cup holder space in the middle as well. Sofa back here will make into a bed, so you could sleep a couple extra guests back here. Got a little end table on each side, some storage on each side as well. Electric outlet USB charger ports back there, and some overhead cabinetry. They also changed up the hardware color for 2024. Does have the little shock assist feature on the doors back here as well. Now directly across from your theater seat area here, you're going to have your entertainment area. So you have a large flat screen TV on a swing arm, so you can kind of maneuver it around a little bit. You have a Furrion sound bar, and then you also have an electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. Now there's a little handle, you can see that blue sticker down there, little handle down there that would allow you to unlatch this. And then it has the hidden Murphy pantry back in behind here. So you have quite a bit of shelf and storage space back in behind the entertainment area. And again, that woven material on that slide floor. Stove-wise, you're going to have the Furrion stove with the little slide-out drawer at the bottom, 3 drawers on the right. That stove does have a light-up oven, also has little light-up knobs on it, 3-burner cooktop, flip-down glass lid, for some extra counter space if you need it when you're not cooking. You have the Furrion hood range light and fan and the Furrion microwave. Electric outlet and some USB charger ports back there as well. Now you will notice the heat ducts are actually coming out of some of the cabinetry instead of the subfloor. You're going to have some storage and stuff underneath your island area, high-rise sprayer faucet there, large undermount sink. Just kind of looking down the roof line here, you have your lights on the outer parts instead of just down the center. You have the Coleman ducted AC and a little skylight up there above the sink area as well. Refrigerator is the 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt Furrion refrigerator. So you're going to have a little handle right under there just to pull it open. But you got your freezer on top and the refrigerator part on bottom. Over here, you're going to have another little pantry area right here. Another motion light up there as well. Some more storage. Little area over here does have the prepping for the King Wi-Fi Connect. You have electric outlet, USB charger port there as well. Nice little setup here. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down there, and you have your digital thermostat for your main ducted AC and your propane furnace. Over here you're going to have things like your awning button, slide button, second awning button, and another couple slide buttons here. Some light switches, 12 volt tank heaters for cold weather camping. That's a really nice feature. Water pump, monitor panel holding tank readers here. And then you're going to have your on-demand Suburban water heater control right here as well. There is a little coat hook holder and stuff right here at the entry area. Then we're going to have the bathroom area right here. So there is a little toilet paper holder down there, some storage. Maybe you got an area for a small trash can down there. A little bit of counter space. Skylight up above the shower. There's a vent fan in here as well. And then right back here is kind of some area for like towels and linens and stuff. All down through this side right here. The shower-wise, you do have the ABS tub surround. It does have the little sit-down seat in there, sliding glass shower door setup as well. Some more little hook holders there. And then you have your porcelain foot flush toilet as well. Then we're going to go up into the bedroom area. Just outside the area right here, we're going to have a light switch, Versa bed tilt controls. This will allow you to raise the bed up so you could sit there and kind of watch TV, read a book, something like that. It also gives you a little more room, not that you need it so much in this one, but when it's up, it gives you about an extra 12 inches or so of walkway here. But this one, having the bedroom slide, already has a pretty decent amount of walkway space. You have window on each side of the bed. Those windows do open. There's an electric outlet, USB charger port here on the left. You got a heat duct down there as well. Now this bed does raise up and gives you storage underneath of there as well. And it's also got storage from outside also. This was also ordered with the second AC, which is kind of a drop-in AC right here. Big window there overlooking the campsite area. Some more drawer space, a little shelf space or TV space, whatever you want to use it for there. There's TV hookups on the ceiling. You do have a little laundry basket thing right here. And then you're going to have your closet or washer dryer area. So there are water lines, drains and everything right here, electric outlet, shelf space, hanging bar. There's another electric outlet over there if you want to put the dryer on one side and the washer on the other, or you can do a combo washer dryer depending on what you prefer. Make sure you get the vented combos if you do that, because the ventless ones are pretty crappy. So I would definitely recommend a vented combo if you're going to do one of those. But a nice little setup here. Definitely like the look. Let's step outside real quick here and let's check out what they've done out here as well. So the biggest exterior change for 2024 is going to be the roof. This now has a one-piece fiberglass roof, where typically they have like a PVC roof or a rubber roof or some sort of vinyl roof. But here for this year, they are going on to the fiberglass roof. It's kind of like a little textured pebble look to it, but kind of matches color-wise with the outside fiberglass. Sidewall-wise, you have kind of an off-colored fiberglass, aluminum studded, foam block insulated sidewall with a lower kind of tan metal skirting. You have vinyl graphics on the outside. There's a decent size pass-through storage compartment area right here. Another light in here in the front cap light switch as well. You can see some of that aluminum tube framing there. You have power front and rear stabilizer jacks, spare tires mounted underneath the front section here. There's also a gas line hookup if you wanted to plug in like a portable grill or something. You also have the little pet-friendly leash latch holder there. You have two power awnings, LED light strips built in. You have adjustable arms for tilting and manual override in case of an electronic failure. A couple speakers again up there. The upgraded More Ride entrance step, rated for 500 pounds instead of the traditional 300-pound hover style step. Window in the entry door, and it is Lippert thin shade ready. So if you wanted to add one of those aftermarket shades to it, you can. You can kind of see there, it is that black safety glass kind of entry door that a lot of people are using now. They're currently riding on Goodyear tires. You do have aluminum wheels, easy lube hubs, drum brakes, and you can also kind of see down there, it is a wider axle stance, a wider spread. That is supposed to help keep it more stable when driving down the road, so less sway. You're going to have an electric outlet and a cable outlet right here on the side of the slide, so you could, kind of hook up a TV out here on a nice day, maybe watch the game or something. The gas line hookup is right back here in front of this rear jack. So if you are going to do like a portable grill or something, it technically plugs in back here on the rear, not up front. Traditional flat back rear end. You do have prepping for the rear observation camera by Furrion. Nice camera to consider adding, allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're traveling down the road or basically kind of backing into a campsite. You're also prepped on there for the Lippert Stow and Go portable ladder that you can buy aftermarket. It's a telescoping ladder that will attach up there and basically allow you to get up and down on and off the roof. And then when you're done using it, you just telescope it together and throw it in the storage compartment. Kind of forget about it till you need it again. You don't have to worry about kids climbing up and down, falling off, getting hurt. Then you got cable and satellite inlets right there. You're going to have a dump hose holder here on the back. Then you have a little 2-inch hitch receiver on the back as well. And that is there to basically be like a little bike carrier or a little luggage rack carrier. It is not meant to tow anything with. So don't try to hook a boat to it or something and tow it down the road. There is a stove exhaust up there as well. This one was ordered again with dual AC, so you have that 50 amp detachable power cord back here. Just in front of the axles right here, you're going to have your on-demand water heater. You're going to have your furnace exhaust. You have your gray, galley, and black tank dump all coming out right here. And you have your city water, fresh water, and black water tank flush inlets all right here. Hot and cold outside utility shower over there as well. Then this is from the outside underneath the bed area. On the front side, you're going to have the 3/4 fiberglass cap with the little LED light strips there, lower diamond plate metal. Another thing that did change up as well, they went to the BAL Norco frame, so a little bit different. 2 20-pound propane tanks under the cover there, power tongue jack, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy-duty safety chains, room for 1 or 2 batteries to go behind the gas bottles there. Now real quick, here is some important informational stickers here for you. So first things up, top one here, production date sticker. Telling us, for example, this one was built 10/4 of 23, model number 308RL. Has a gross vehicle weight of 11,425 pounds. It's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Don't exceed that. Next is going to be your tire sticker here. Basically telling us ST 225/75 R15 E-range tires with an 80 PSI cold. Make sure you keep up with your tire pressure. Very, very important. And then you're going to have your unloaded vehicle weight sticker here telling us the RV was 9,838 pounds when it rolled off the assembly line with these options. And it's 38 feet, 7 inches long, according to the sticker there. But overall, a really nice new look for the 2024 Salem Hemisphere here. Tell me what you think. Pop over and check out that Surveyor video. Which one you think did this floor plan better? Both are really nice. We'll put some information down below for you so you can check it out. We'll be right back on the inside to close her up for you. All right, we're back up inside the Hemisphere 308RL here. And I just wanted to kind of show you what it looks like closed. I've already kind of closed it up a little bit, So we're gonna speed this up for you here. But basically you can kind of see when it's closed up, comes in real tight here. So very important to make sure your sofa is pushed back all the way. Make sure you latch your Murphy pantry so it can't accidentally come open and travel and damage your counters and stuff here. But that slide pretty much just comes straight in and goes straight out. Now the bed slide also closed up for you already. I can still come in here, use my bed. Can't really get to my dresser area here, but I could climb over and get to, the closet if I needed to. But if I'm stopping at a rest area or something, again, I can come in here, lay down, take a nap, use this part of the RV without having to open it up. And I got full access to my bathroom without having to worry about opening any of the 3 slides to do that. Now when you are ready to close up the big slide here, I'll show you what this kind of looks like. This slide kind of tilts up a little bit. It's a flush floor slide. So it'll kind of come in and settle down by itself here. But when it comes in, it's going to get very, very close to everything and kind of block you off from the back part of the RV here. So as you can see, when you're walking in and it is all closed up, kind of what that looks like. Now, if you do stop at a grocery store or something, rest area, and you need to run in and grab something out of the refrigerator or load your refrigerator, these slides are 12 volts, so as long as you got a good charged up battery, you should be able to bump it out. And then typically your truck, if it's wired properly, should have a 12 volt charge wire that comes back here to help power things. But it just takes a few seconds to run the room out. I don't need to open it up all the way. I can grab something or load something into the refrigerator if I needed to, or just go the rest of the way out if you got plenty of room to do so. Thanks again, guys, for taking the time to watch my RV videos. I really do appreciate it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more videos. And as always, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. Thanks again.